Ever wonder bakit parang hindi umaangat ang finances mo kahit nagpe-pray ka? Maybe it's not your effort, it's your words. Because what you speak, you create. And Jesus said it himself, your mouth reveals what's really ruling your heart. Sabi sa Luke 6:45, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. Sa Greek, ibig sabihin ng abundance is pleroma. Ibig sabihin overflow or fullness. At yung heart naman ay cardia, meaning your inner belief system where faith lives. In short, my friend, whatever fills your heart will eventually fill your life. Kung lagi mong sinasabi, lagi akong kapos, hindi mo namamalayan your programming lack. Pero kapag sinasabi mong I'm blessed, favored, and provided for, you're aligning your mouth with heaven's language. Your words are spiritual containers. They carry either faith or fear, blessing or lack. So today, my friends, speak like someone who's already blessed. Declare this with me. My words agree with God. That's why my life overflows. Comment mo dyan, my friend. I speak blessings only. Like, subscribe, and share this video para mas maraming Pilipino ang matutong magsalita ng faith, favor, at abundance God's way. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.